going to start by slicing some onion. Then I'm going to start cubing some squash. It don't have to be neat, just some chunks. I'm going to season my water and go ahead and drop in my squash and let them start to boil down. I'm going to go ahead and drop my smoked neck bones in my boiling water so we can get ready to put the peas in. After 10 minutes of boiling, add in some diced onions to my squash. Let that boil down. Cover and simmer. Once they cook for about 10 minutes, I'm gonna get them all mashed in. Once all of the water has boiled out, I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 eggs. Get that all stirred in and scrambled all up. Add in a little bit more seasoning. Cut off the stove and add my cheese. Once I add my cheese, set it to the side. I'm done with that. Starting on my peas. Adding in some butter to my smoked neck bones. And go ahead and add in them field peas and those lima beans. Add in me a little seasoning. I love Lawry's in my peas. Once those neck bones get tender, I pull them off the bone and add it back into my peas. And just put the lid back on, turn them on low and let them simmer and start to work on my cornbread. Meal, flour, buttermilk, egg. Get to stirring, add in a little oil. Oil me a muffin pan and get to pouring. Put the oven on 350 and you ready to bake. Cornbread muffins all out, so let's start on that pork chop. It's all washed, dried, and seasoned. I'm gonna dip it in a little buttermilk. And then I'm gonna dip it into the flour, which my flour is seasoned also. On both sides. My grease is hot, so let's go ahead and start to frying those pork chops. Fry them about 10 minutes, or it depends on how big your pork chops are. And we all done. And we are ready to eat. Recipes, music, and merch. Save steak and gravy today and join the PattyKakes Kitchen family. Stream steak and gravy and keep the music cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Set it to all so you'll never miss a PattyKakes recipe. Thank you for supporting our kitchen.